Did you hear about the new statue in Seattle? It's a bronze tribute to WNBA legend Sue Bird. The Seattle Storm just unveiled this stunning piece of art. And let me tell you, the WNBA is calling it a thing of beauty. This isn't just any statue. It's a historic celebration of one of the greatest players in women's basketball history. What do you think about honoring legends like Sue Bird? Comment what you think. This is huge. Source: Hindustan Times. Article by Trisha Sengupta. Thanks for watching Crypto Shorts magazine. Earn passive income with your crypto on Nexo. Use the link in the description for a special reward. Don't miss it.